This is Shanghai Fried Siopao on Ongpin Street. Now, the stall is new to me. My friend took me here. Siopao is what we call pork buns. Sho means hot. It's the same sho prefix in the word for siomai dim sum. Pao means bun. I'm not a siopao fan. I dislike the white bun, but since I'm hungry already from all the walking and filming, I ate one. I'm surprised at how tasty it is. It's pretty juicy and the bun isn't excessively starchy. I didn't need to drink water to swallow the bun properly, unlike typical starchy buns. The bun is made more like a thick and large dim sum than a typical thick sandwich type siopao bun that people here make.